So hi everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate in agentic AI workflow you don't require a human being. So what I've done is I have made a strategy consultant agentic AI workflow. This is going to give an answer to an important question here. How can we improve the efficiency of our supply chain management system? Pretty much what the McKinsey's, pretty much what the BCGs do, right? Now this workflow is going to do, there are three different LLMs. The first one is going to be Mistral, which is going to break this down into manageable 3 to 5 sub questions. Now, those sub questions would be answered by another LLM. In this case, is going to be Microsoft 5.4 Mini Reasoning, another great LLM. Once it generates the answer would be collated. That answer would be eventually verified by the third LLM. In this case, I'm using Mistral 7B itself. So let's see how this interesting work happens. Now you can see at the first part itself that the breakdown, the strategic question is Mistral 7B. The quantitative, the specifications have also mentioned. So now you can see in 7 seconds, it has broken down this entire questions into 5 different pieces. It could do anywhere between 3 to 5. I can change the questions also here. The second part, which is the bigger part, in which these sub questions would be responded by other LLM. So it is one LLM is generating the question, other is responding the question, and the third one is verifying it. And then this entire workflow, which is one of the most higher level of management work where you have strategy consulting work and you don't require a human being per se, because there are three different entities which are in the place. I can add another third verifier onto it. So that's the agentic AI workflow which we have. And eventually, as you could have guessed it right, you don't require a human being here altogether. Now, the interesting part is, now this is putting a lot of system and strain on my system altogether. Now let's see what kind of output it has generated. So it has mentioned that there are three different LLMs which we are using. It did mention. It broke down that question into 5 different pieces, each pertaining to the question which we have asked. How do we improve the efficiency of supply chain management system? It has given the 5 sub questions. Now here you have the second LLM which comes into play, Microsoft 5.4 Reasoning, which responds to a very elaborate answer. And then you have the third LLM which verifies the response. And it is not just saying all the responses are right, it is adding wherever it is needed. You can see you need some minor improvements, adds more specific example, consider these bullet points, and then the output is being given to us. Interestingly, you don't require human at all here. Thank you.